Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I hope you enjoy this video and that you subscribe to my channel. Also, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. So if you read the title, you will know that this video is an update on the practice hand I purchased off Amazon, and this is a small business giveaway collaboration. But first, let's talk about the hand. So I did initially get this hand off Amazon. I will link my initial review in the cards above, and I promised you guys I would glue on the tips directly to the hand and show you how that worked out. I know it's been a while, but hey, worth the wait. So, what I did was I just took some full coverage Gel X tips, the ones that I used from AliExpress, and I just used some nail glue and glued the nails directly to the hand. I have used this hand a couple times to play with outside of my initial video, so you can tell there's a little bit of wear and tear on this hand around the cuticle areas and side walls. If you remember from my first video, I did say that those areas are pretty thin. So it didn't really take too long for those to get damaged. Really quickly, I want to talk about the products and I'll get back to the hand. The products that I'm using is the transfer foil glue from iGel Beauty, and the scissors and the transfer foil are from my store. This transfer foil glue, I did recently do a iGel Beauty haul, which I will link in the cards above. And for this video, it didn't seem to work out too well. I am using my silicone tool tweezer combo from my store as well, and usually it works a little bit better for me, but I really couldn't get that foil to transfer. So I'm not saying this transfer foil glue or transfer foil gel is bad. I'm gonna play with it a little more and give it a fair chance before I say something doesn't work. So a lot of the times with transfer foil glue, you get people saying, as soon as you pull it out of the lamp, put your foil on. And then you get other people saying, give it 20 seconds, give it 15 seconds before you put your foil on. So different formulas can require different things. For this application, I applied the foil right out of the lamp. So I'm going to try it when I pull the gel out of the lamp, give it a few seconds, and then try the foil. So I did cure this for 60 seconds in my UV LED lamp. Just want to throw that out there. So I'm going to play with it a little bit more and see the best way to use it. On this nail, I just wanted to do an ombre, so it didn't apply to one side of the nail, but I'm going to fix that later on in the video. Okay, so the giveaway that we're doing is I'm doing a collaboration with Addicted to Pink Nails, also known as Eden's Rose Co. That's the name of her company. And Ebony's Nails, and the name of her company is Ebony's Plush Creations. So what we're doing is we're going to give away some products from our store. We kind of wanted to do it like a Christmas gift. So basically, you're going to receive different items from our store. I don't know what they're giving away, but probably the products that you're hearing me talk about in this video may or may not be included in the giveaway. So on my website, I have my cuticle oils, I have my nail grippers, and then I have nail art and nail tools. On Eden's Rose Co., which is Addicted to Pink Nails' store, she has custom acrylic, nail tools, and nail art as well. On Ebony's Nails, her store is Ebony's Plus Creations. She has acrylic, excuse me, and nail art and nail tools as well. I do not think, based on the difference of all of our personalities and styles, I don't think you're going to get anything duplicate. Like, out of all of our stores, I don't think we have any duplicate products. But definitely, I'm going to ship out the products to the winner directly. We're all gonna ship everything out directly, so you're gonna get 3 different packages because we do live in 3 different states. So you're gonna get 3 different packages. But the way to enter the giveaway is you have to be subscribed to our YouTube channels and you have to be following us on Instagram. I will leave the links to everything down below. Also, at the end of, there will be a playlist to their giveaway videos down below as well. So, sorry, for me to know, my words really wasn't coming out of my mouth. For us to know that you're entered, you're gonna have to comment on a video and put enter me and provide your Instagram name. This is a giveaway where there's no alternative to Instagram. You have to have an Instagram account for this giveaway. So if you don't have an Instagram account, unfortunately, you won't be able to enter this giveaway, but stay tuned. I know that we all do a lot of giveaways on our channel, and I actually have another giveaway open right now, which I'll link for you guys in the cards above. So all the rules will be down below. All the links will be down below. If for some reason you don't want to enter the giveaway, but you just want to support small businesses, all of our store links will be in the description box down below. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the giveaway. If you have questions, definitely just leave a comment down below and I will try and get back to as many comments as I can. But yeah, there's not too much really I want to add about this nail set. It's a pretty simple set. Nude acrylic and transfer foil. I do go in and encapsulate the 2 nails with the transfer foil. A little bit more about the hand. I liked working with the hand better by gluing the tips of the nails in. They seemed a little bit sturdier. However, they weren't glued in completely by the cuticle area. So I did get a little bit of movement when I apply some items, and you can see that at some parts of the video. As far as filing, whenever you're using a practice hand, filing's kind of tricky. If you slide the nail tips in, if the well of the practice hand is deep or shallow, you still have to be careful with your filing motion and how you hold the hand, because you could stretch out that well that you slide the tip in. When you glue the tips on, you kind of have to secure the nail that you're filing, because you could rip the nail off and rip your hand. So regardless of the hand you use or whatever, you still have to be careful with filing. When you're using your e-file, you have to be careful around the cuticle area and the sidewalls so you don't rip your hand. This hand quality is not that great. The cuticle area and the sidewalls, it's really, really thin. It's very easy to tear, and I have done that. I have done a set off camera with glued on tips. To remove them, you just cut down the excess nail and soak it in acetone and it comes off. You want to make sure that you're not pulling it or scraping it with your cuticle pusher or doing anything crazy that you could rip your silicone. But other than that, it comes off pretty easy. It's just you take the bulk of the nail off and just soak it for a little bit and it comes off. Not a big deal. Honestly, I wish I would have waited on this hand. I bought it because it was posable, but I wish I would have just waited and saved more money and then invested in the Red Iguana hand. I do have some Red Iguana fingers that I've played with off camera that I do like the quality of those. I do have flexi fingers that are okay. The reason I'm kind of moving away from flexi finger is because they're not really posable. And although the customer service is great for flexi finger, the consistency of quality in the hands just isn't there. I have 3 hands from flexi hand or flexi finger, and all 3 of them are a different quality level. So I'm kind of moving away from that company. Customer service is great. It's just the quality of the product is a little off sometimes. And that's fine. But the amount you're paying for the hand, you know, I don't want to bash anybody. So I'm just being honest, but I'm really trying not to bash her cuz she's a really nice lady. Um what else can I add about this hand? The nails bend in all kinds of funky directions. So that was the nails before I filed. These are the nails after I filed. I am using some crystals from my store. I am using Beetle's Rhinestone glue and Beetle's top coat. And I'm just going to go in with a layer of the Rhinestone gel, glue gel, same, it's the same thing. I'm going to go in with a layer of that and do not cure and just go right on top of it with my top coat and then place my stones. The gel is thick enough so the stones don't slide around. They do give you a little bit of time to kind of play with it a little bit. They don't slide around a lot. They do move a little bit, but I do like the combination of like a builder gel or like a poly gel and then the top coat, just so you can kind of play with the design a little bit before you cure it. What else do I want to add? I'm a little bit tired today, guys. That's why I'm like, and I didn't take the usual notes that I take before I do my voiceovers, so that's why I could be all over the place. I did give you guys all of the giveaway rules. Um, all of the links will be in the description box below. And then I will link some videos for you guys in the cards above that are related to this video. Yeah, so I'm just going to apply the rest of the stones here. And I will be back to go over all of the products that I used for this video. Okay, guys. So these rhinestones are from my website. I use Young Nails glue, monomer, cover earth, and I use their clear. And the transfer foil is from my store. The scissors are from my store. The tweezers and silicone tool are from my store. I use Beetle's top coat and the rhinestone glue. And then I did miss something there. Oh, the transfer foil gel that I used was from iGel Beauty. So I like how these nails came out. I think they're super cute. And I do like how I can pose this hand for pictures. That was really what I was wanting when I purchased this hand. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Even if you're not entering the giveaway, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of the nail design. Also, check out the giveaway rules and the giveaway playlist as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to upload this video and go to bed because I am super tired. As always, I appreciate you guys spending your time with me, and I will see you guys soon for another video.